If you have new information to provide or need to submit an annual report on your project's accomplishments, you can use the project update workflow. From the home page, you can select this update a project. You could also go directly to the project's detail page and update the project from there. The project update workflow has all of the same sections as the project entry workflow. I'm not going to walk through each of those one by one, because you can refer back to the enter a project video if you need any information on a specific page. I do want to point out some key information about the project updates. When you start an update, the project information is already preloaded for you. And many of the fields here are editable. The things you can't change are the project name and the project type. But you could provide, let's say, a completion year if you hadn't provided that yet. Just like the project entry, project updates are saved as drafts, so you can come back and finish your update at a later time if you need to. On almost every page in the project entry, you can revert the changes if you didn't mean to enter that completion year, or you're wondering what was on the project before. You can go ahead and click revert current page, and it will load the update with the information on the project. There we go. So we've lost our completion year. So I'm going to go ahead and say that the only thing I need to provide here is the completion, and maybe in the expenditures, we've got some funding to report from a foundation. Let's say we expended $1,000 in 2019 and nothing has been expended in 2020 yet. I'll go ahead and save that. So you can pick and choose the pages on the project update workflow about what information you need to provide, and then go ahead and submit the update when you're ready. So now the changes that I proposed to this project are pending, but they haven't gone into effect yet, because a reviewer needs to come into the system, review and approve those changes. So you'll notice the project entry here doesn't show that completion year that we entered, and it won't until that update is approved.